Hello everyone. This beautiful rose has been done in the simplest and cheapest of color pencils. Would you like to see how it was done? Come on then, stay with me till the end and I will show you exactly how to go about it. For this I'm using a simple cartridge paper and these simple color pencils, a set of 24 assorted colors. You are of course open to use any brand of your choice. I have included the reference image here and I am beginning to draw the outline of the rose with a graphite pencil. Since the rose is quite densely placed with the petals, I am trying to draw out each and every petal as it is. Of course, a few petals left here and there will be perfectly fine, but I am trying to draw as much as the petals as I can in the outline drawing itself. The outline is done and so now I am beginning with the coloring. In the reference image you can see that the rose has a sort of an orange hue, but in my sketch I am going to modify that and turn it to have sort of a bright yellow hue, which is what I like. And for doing that, what we will have to do is the lighter side of the rose, instead of orange we will be applying yellow hues, and for the darker areas the oranges and browns will remain the same. And so with an eye on the reference image I am going to use oranges and brown colors for the shaded part, the darker part, and the lighter oranges that we see in the rose, which are sort of pastel orange that we see. For those areas I am going to use the yellows, which will turn our rose into a nice bright yellow rose. I'm going to keep the highlighted portions of the rose as the paper white itself, so that we need not apply any white color over that area. Also you can see I'm using simple strokes of the pencil, mostly oblique and some vertical and horizontal. I'm going to leave the sketchy marks as they are and I'm not going to use any blending. I'm not going to use any blending tools too, like the paper stamps or earbuds or tissue or anything. I'm going to leave the sketchy marks as they are because that also gives a very nice look to the sketch, as that is how I would like it to look. And so let us proceed further in this way. Now for the leaves, I am using different shades of green as per the light and dark values. I'll be also adding a little bit of yellow ochre and a little bit of brown to it so as to give it a natural look. Now for the background, I will be using mostly purples and blues and a little bit of black at the very end. I'm adding a few more layers for the leaves with more green shades. I'm applying black for the areas where the shadow portions will be, and I will not be making the whole of the background black. And so with the finishing touches here and there, our beautiful sketch of the beautiful rose is ready. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of future videos. Do leave your comments too and share it with your friends. Also click on the end screens displayed above so you get to watch other videos. See you in the next video.